This is my term project for 15112 at Carnegie Mellon. It's a mathematical typing environment, so if you have a document that has a lot of math symbols that you want to type up, you can type it in the text editor that I made, and when you're done, it'll convert it to LaTeX notation, so you can copy and paste it into a LaTeX editor and it should compile. So this on the right is the text editor that I made. I made it in Tkinter. You can just type in text as in any other text editor. When you type enter, it'll automatically add in double backslashes because you need those to create a new line in LaTeX. And then you can move left and right and up and down just like in any other text editor. So the way that typing in math works is you type in a phrase that it recognizes like sum, and you press shift enter, and it gives you what you need to type in. So here it's where it starts, I equals 1, we'll say. You press escape to go to the next brace, to n, escape to get out, and then you type the expression that you want to type. So for the demonstration, what I want to do is produce that text over there. Now in LaTeX that would take a really long time to create, but hopefully with this text editor it'll be a lot faster. So we'll start with the integral, that's int from a escape b escape, and we want to do that of the int from c to d of f of x comma y with respect to x with respect to y, and I'll also add text. We'll say is an iterated integral. Now with LaTeX you'd have to worry about dollar signs and all that, but here you don't have to worry about that. It'll do that automatically. So next line is the sum from I equals 1 escape n of the sum from j equals 1 to n of the product, that's PROD, from k equals 1 to n of, you open the parentheses, and a fraction is frac, numerator is I plus j, escape over k, and then next line is a matrix. This would probably take a really long time to type in LaTeX. All I have to do is type mat and then separate the entries by commas and the rows by semicolons. So frac 1 escape 2, frac 1 escape 3, frac 1 escape 4, semicolon. Then we have the sum from I equals 1 to 3 of I. And then for derivatives, you just type d, y, dx. And then for partials, you do a pd, and we want sub x of y. And we'll leave the partial denominator field blank, and that's fine. And now this last line would also take a while to type in LaTeX because for some of the parentheses you would have to worry about sizing them and making sure they cover the whole letter or number. So here you don't have to worry about that. You just open parenthesis, 2 plus open bracket, 3 plus open bracket, 4 plus open absolute values, there we go. Fraction 5 over 9, escape the fraction, escape the absolute values, escape the brackets, plus 6, escape the brackets, plus open parentheses again, sum from I equals 1 to n of I. 2 escapes just bring us to the end, it does. And then to compile, you just press Control Enter, and if we go to the shell, it should have the result. So we just go to the top, copy the entire thing, and if you go to an empty LaTeX document, you don't have to type in anything yourself. You just put it there, press compile, and it should work. And there it is. There's our text, and there's also a space for the name and the title at the top. Adding that in is pretty easy if you want. And that's pretty much it.